Welcome to the Productivity series on Microsoft Excel. Let us look into SUMIFS function today. Here we need to sum the salary column after applying two conditions. State should equal 2 and age should be less than 35. We will nest one condition within another condition in the if function. If condition 1, state equals 2, then condition 2, age less than 35. Then select the corresponding salary. Else 0. Else 0. After we have applied the conditions, we need to encapsulate the expression within some function. We can verify the result here that the filtered table will have row number 3 and 4, and the total will be 58,000. Let's verify the same using SUMIFS function. First input parameter is the column to be aggregated. Next input parameter is the condition number 1, state equals 2. Next input parameter is condition number 2, age less than 35. Bingo! Same result.